The smarter city is growing. As people and businesses move in, how do we deal with the stress that this growth puts on our energy and water systems? We can't simply snap our fingers to add new capacity.
But we can make these important systems a lot smarter.
The 21st century's electrical grids will be very different from the ones we built in the last century.
Back then, the flow of power was one way. It went from the utility out to the customer, along with the bill.
With smart energy, power and information flow in both directions.
Here in the smarter city, we know where our energy is going.
Sensors tell us about the health of the grid and where energy is being lost, so we can make improvements and prevent outages automatically in real time.
Our smart grid will even be able to store energy from alternate sources like wind turbines and solar panels, turning our grid into a giant battery to store excess energy.
Something the old grids could never do.
Smart grids enable utilities to make smarter decisions.
With more information, customers can make better decisions too, like using electricity when it's cheapest.
Is it time for a new energy-saving microwave?
Should I do laundry now or later?
How could I be more efficient with the energy my household consumes?
Energy is only one resource that flows into the home. What about water?
Given that 2/3 of the Earth is covered by water, you'd think we'd have plenty. But the fact is, less than 1% of the world's water is usable, and demand for it is rising.
Here in the smarter city, we use smarter technology to monitor our entire water ecosystems, from the rivers and reservoirs that feed our city to the pumps and pipes that run into our homes.
Smart sensors like they have in Galway Bay let organizations, businesses, and communities understand how they're using their water.
The smarter city protects its river basin ecosystems with a state-of-the-art support system that helps understand the impact of land use decisions on water quantity,
Water quality,
Crop production,
and biodiversity.
Utilities use advanced software to track and manage assets like pumps, pipes, and filters so that the right components can get the right attention at the right time.
Here's an example. The reason for most pipe bursts is corrosion. That's easier to detect when a pipe is above ground and you can see the outside of it. But what do you do when it's below ground? Smart sensors can help predict a burst by detecting rising levels of minerals in the surrounding soil.
Sensors in our homes, appliances, power lines, and waterways can help us make better decisions about usage.
A smarter approach to our water and energy use can infuse intelligence into everything that touches those systems.
So government officials, city planners, business leaders, and everyday citizens can use information to make better, smarter decisions.
About how we build our cities,
Our businesses,
our buildings, and our homes.
To be more efficient,
more sustainable.
smarter.